Hello, this is the trade site U.S. stocks and futures and even a little bit of forex market preview for Thursday, the 18th of February 2021 and Friday the 19th. Hope you had a good trading Wednesday. We didn't do too much, but we did make a little money. As usual, we don't usually do anything for Fridays. This is not anything special because it's an options expiration Friday, so I wouldn't expect that we're going to see much. It'll probably be a slow session. It was a slow Tuesday. We were closed on Monday. We gapped down Wednesday and started to head lower. I thought we were going to have a good chance at some excitement, and in the end, all we really did was slowly then move back up to basically close even, as you'll see in a few minutes. So it wasn't very exciting. So this is the with Friday being expiration, that'll usually be a bust. So this is the preview for the rest of the week. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market futures form. I should say before this, the dollar index did nothing for the session, so there's really nothing to talk about in forex. But in terms of the ES, we do have that 9-bar startup phase complete. Sometimes that can be a short-term top in the market. We'll see what happens. We've been dead flat since then for the last couple of days. Let's go through the major daily charts. Crude oil down up 68 cents to 61.82. That's a new closing high for quite a while, actually, which is fine. Gold up $4, which that's off the lows of the last 6 months or so. The S&P cash lost a point, doesn't really matter, and closed higher than it opened. NASDAQ 100 down 74, but closed came back from a 150 point gap down. SOX down 60, so there's no 13 sell signal yet there, and we're getting close to recycle. So if we're going to get 13 sell signal on the SOX daily, it needs to happen in the next day or so. The biotech's up 21.97. Russell 2000 down 16.78. The VIX closes up literally 4 cents at 21.50. It was higher earlier on the session. This is basically where it's been sitting for months. The trend closes at 1.02, puts the 10-day moving average now at 96 as some bigger numbers drop off. And let me count backwards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we're going to lose a low number. Yeah, we're not going to lose anything major here. So probably not going to get that moving average under 0.85 here anytime soon. NASDAQ volume 7.2 billion shares. It is the lightest we've seen in a week or so. I think a lot of this weather situation is affecting the market. It's definitely slowing down. People are concentrating on other things as they should. NASDAQ advanced decline ratio negative 733. Way more stocks down than up on the New York, negative 414. Google gains $7.92. New closing high on Google. Apple down $2.35. Not near a high. Netflix down $5.94. Amazon gains 39.69. Just been so flat lately. Tesla up $1.93. That's exciting. Facebook down 40 cents. Okay. Again, hasn't gone anywhere in months, just like Amazon and Apple. Zoom down 15.09. Goldman Sachs gains 78 cents. Outside day up on that one. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 92 cents after making new lows the other day, and the Dow was up just 90. But that is a new closing high on the Dow. Remember, we had a 13 sell signal on the Dow at the start of the year. We're now approaching that risk line, so we'll see what we get here. Bitcoin, this is crazy. 53,000 on the Bitcoin. Unbelievable. Put call ratio closes at 0.515. And when we look at the intraday action 5-minute candles on the ES, so you can see just Tuesday here, was basically a flat, just small gap up from Friday. Pulled back, filled, went dead flat. Keep in mind that we had closed down like 2 points on Monday after all that, right? And then Tuesday we get this bigger gap down, and finally it's like, oh, is there some excitement? Head up, can't fill the gap, fail at yesterday's lows, roll over. The NASDAQ hits new lows for the day. The ES never got there, but it came close. And then what happens after that? Nothing. We just scroll back up like nothing's wrong and start heading back up and close down another point. So far, S&P is basically down 3 points for the week. I mean, is what it is. Not very interesting, right, from that perspective. In terms of economic data left for the week, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Thursday here in the U.S. Building permits and housing start at the same time. Import-export prices, same time. Initial and continuing jobless claims, that's the weekly number, same time. Consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. That's in Europe. That's Europe's consumer confidence. Natty gas at 10:30. Crude oil inventories at 11. Remember, crude oil on Thursday instead of Wednesday because of the Monday holiday. And then on Friday here in the U.S., flash manufacturing and services PMI numbers at 9:45. Existing home sales at 10. So nothing super exciting left for the week. And of course, like I said, the main thing here is what? We have options expiration, and that can often lead to not much. Lead to a dead day on Friday, and so we shall see. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Thursday and Friday.